To create this project, you're going to need some Craftables glow-in-the-dark heat transfer vinyl, mini canvases, and some magnets. Now let's get started. Once your design is ready to be cut, you're going to remove the yellow protective layer from the rest of the vinyl and load it into your Cricut and cut on the iron-on setting. Okay, I just finished weeding all of my designs. Jason, Poltergeist, Michael Myers, Pennywise, Chucky, and Freddy. These canvases, these mini canvases came in a pack of 6 on Amazon, like this. So let's see how well the heat transfer vinyl adheres to these. I'm going to get all these set up and get my heat press preheated, and then we will press them and see how it works. I folded up some cardstock and I'm going to place it behind the canvas to try and get the pressure from the heat press to be spread out across the entire canvas in hopes that it'll help the HTV adhere better. The directions state to press it for 8 to 12 seconds at 300 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Okay, I've already pressed all of them, and what you're going to want to do is the directions say to wait 8 to 12 seconds before you peel, but since the canvas is a different material, especially these, you want to wait till it's completely cold and cool before you peel, because I had a little bit of difficulty pulling it off after 8 to 10 seconds. And it's only on the canvas that I've had problems with it, because I made this shirt with it and peeling it after like 5 seconds it came up fine. So it's just the canvas, since it's a different material, you're going to want to wait. So far these are the ones I've already peeled up. This one. This one still feels a little bit warm. You want to carefully peel back the carrier sheet. If you notice that any of the vinyl is coming up, push it down with your finger to help it adhere, and also try and grab the carrier sheet from a different angle. That seemed to help as well. If any of the parts come up a little bit, what I do is, now that the transfer sheet is off, I'll press it with a piece of parchment paper once again, and then it just puts everything back in place. Okay, now that we have our design on each canvas and it's adhered very well, there's no parts that are coming up now. I repressed them all with the parchment sheet. So what we're going to do now is place the magnets on the back. Take out the cardstock from this one. That really helped to be able to put equal pressure on the design, was adding a piece of cardstock to the back. Okay, so I got these magnets. It comes with 27 of them, and I've got them on Amazon for $4.99. I'm sure there's probably a better set of magnets I could have gotten. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue one, hot glue, one to each corner of the canvas. one on every corner, so this way you could place them on the refrigerator. And we are done. I put them all in my refrigerator. I think these came out super cute. Perfect way to decorate for Halloween. This is how they look glowing. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful.